Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Lexus RX 350 maintenance light. This quick guide will help you clear that dashboard reminder after your routine service. It is a straightforward process that you can easily complete yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first essential step to prepare your vehicle for this important reset procedure. First, get into your Lexus RX 350. Turn the ignition to the on position, but make sure not to start the engine. For push-button start models, press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Next, locate your ODO/trip button and press it until your odometer display clearly shows trip A. This is a crucial step for the reset to work correctly and efficiently. Now, turn your ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold down the ODO/trip button firmly. While still holding this button, turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Keep holding the ODO/trip button for approximately 10 seconds. You will see the maintenance light begin to flash and then completely disappear from your display. After about 10 seconds, the maintenance light will flash and then completely disappear from your dashboard. Once it is gone, you can release the ODO/trip button. To confirm the reset was successful, turn your ignition completely off, then turn it back to the on position. The maintenance required light should now be off, and your dashboard will be clear, indicating a successful reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.